Hey guys, what's up? It's Wild Slimes, and today I'm going to be making an iceberg slime with this slime that I just made for an Instagram video. Go check it out. So yeah, let's get started. So, iceberg slimes are basically like fluffy slimes, but like you let the top kind of like harden, so it's really satisfying. So I know iceberg slimes were very popular a couple years ago, but let's bring this back, shall we? So this slime is already pretty fluffy, but I'm gonna add some more, and this is shaving cream. So first you wanna do that. These are really old, because I had them from when like that kind of stuff was popular, but you know, we'll see if they work. There we go. So I'm gonna add that much right now. Just mix it in. So I definitely forgot how this feels, because I haven't made fluffy slime in so long. And you know, I don't really love fluffy slime, so 2017, here we go. So it definitely makes the slime like tough, so I'm gonna add some lotion, but yeah, I'll be back when I've mixed all of this in. So I definitely melted it down a bit. And this is what I got. Kind of sticky, not that much though. And I'm gonna add some more shaving cream to this. That is a lot. This is definitely gonna get messy. But yeah, that's fine. You know, the end texture is worth it. This definitely reminds me of why I never liked to make iceberg slime, but it's fine because we're doing this to do this, right? So if you do end up doing this and you make it on Instagram or YouTube, definitely go tag me. If you do it on Instagram, use the hashtag WildSlimesProof and I'll give you a shout out on my Instagram story. So this definitely toughened up a lot again, but it's coming together pretty nicely. So I'm just gonna keep mixing and I'll come back to you when we're ready to make the iceberg. So this is the texture you should end up with. Very jiggly, and sizzly, and just, you know, fluffy. I'm guessing that you all remember fluffy slime. So yeah, this is basically what I'm with. So this is what you should have. Now I'm gonna put it in a container and just let it sit for a few days. So yeah. So these are the two slimes after, I'd say, a day of waiting. I'm surprised at how quick it's drying up. So I'm probably gonna let them sit for about 1 or 2 more days. And then we'll get to the iceberg slime cracking. Okay guys, it has been about 2 days. And I actually decided to make another iceberg slime that I'm gonna wait like a day more. But this is basically what I have after 2 days. It's definitely kind of hard around the edges, so yeah, let's crunch it. Okay, so that's basically how your iceberg slime should have felt if you left it for 2 days. For me, I feel like that was kind of a little, like, too hard. So I'm gonna actually try out the one that has been sitting for 1 day, and see how good the crunches are. So that's how it felt. This is still actually pretty, like, fluffy. As you saw, the last one that sat for 2 days, completely just shrunk down once I squeezed it. But this one's still like a fluffy slime. So, and also, I feel like the layer that was on the top has almost just like disappeared. So I might actually leave it again to, you know, do its thing and have another iceberg. So whichever like time amount you want, you can do. As you can see, I definitely like this one more, but either is fine. You do you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more tutorials on any kinds of slime, definitely tell me which slime you want, and like this video to, you know, get some more tutorials. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!